I'm Jens-Uwe Gustmann. I've been with ETEM since 2010 and as product manager I'm responsible for smart products.
Für die smarten Produkte.
Signaling solutions are one of our smart products, and we have seen that more and more LED strips are being integrated into solutions made from aluminium construction profiles. And on the other hand, more and more customers have asked whether we have a standardized solution for integrating LED strips into solutions made from ETEM profile technology.
Lösungen aus ETEM-Profiltechnik zu integrieren.
We started with LED strips that can initially light up in one color over their entire length. However, it was clear to us from the outset that this would not be enough to actually be able to signal all the conditions that may occur in production environments in this way. That is why we have developed further solutions, such as LED strips that can be controlled in segments or classic signaling lights.
Ganz klassische Signalleuchten.
The customer requirements that our new products fulfill are basically the same as those fulfilled by the entire item modular system. It's all about maximizing design options. And this can also be found in these products in the simplicity of installation, for example, of the products, in the variability, for example, in the control, or also in the parameterization of the products, and finally, of course, in the clarity of the signaling of the most diverse process states. For example, we have an RGB light segment here that can be parameterized via I/O link and can therefore light up in a wide range of colors that the RGB range offers. It is visible 360 degrees and is more suitable for the near field because it is a small light that can be used really close to the worker to signal statuses. However, they can also be operated completely without an I/O link simply via the trigger inputs. With the 3-segment lights, this is actually the classic machine traffic light as we know it. They can light up in red, yellow, green, and we also have them as an I/O link version so that I can actually assign a wide variety of colors to the different segments and thus adapt them individually to my signaling task.
Leuchten zeichnen sich dadurch aus, dass sie zum einen
The multi-segment lights are characterized by the fact that they are very bright and are therefore particularly suitable for illuminating processes within machine cabins, for example. However, they can also be used outside machine cabins at workstations to signal statuses.
Es gibt dafür Diffusoren, die man
There are diffusers that can be clipped on to make the light pattern a little softer. Overall, the lights can also be operated in segments, i.e. like a classic machine light, but they can also illuminate the entire surface in one color. The beauty of the multi-segment luminaires is that they are 40 millimeters wide and therefore fit perfectly into the ETEM modular system. Back to the LED strips. The LED strips can be mounted anywhere where a Groove 8 is available. They are particularly suitable for signaling over a longer length and are especially suitable if they are not intended to create an interfering contour. A luminaire is often screwed to the outside of machine cabins or workstations. Here it integrates almost completely into the 8mm slot.
Arbeitsplätze geschraubt. Hier integriert sie sich fast vollständig in die 8er Not.
The great thing about the LED strips is that they can be controlled up to a length of 6 meters and therefore enable signaling that is not possible with classic LED lights.
Die mit klassischen LED-Leuchten gar nicht möglich sind.
LED strips and lights are basically maintenance-free. They have a long service life of up to 50,000 hours, and if you actually use them up, you can basically replace them like a simple light source. I have already mentioned I/O link several times. I/O link is a bidirectional communication standard that has now become firmly established in the automation technology sector. The interesting thing about I/O link is that in addition to pure process data, other data can also be transmitted, such as data on the service life of the device, the temperature of the device, or the parameterization of the device. If a device fails, it can simply be replaced without the need for complicated reparameterization.
Getauscht werden, ohne dass ich es erst umständlich wieder parametrieren muss.
My personal favorite from the ETEM signaling solutions is the LED strip controller. It works with I/O link and makes it possible to control LED strips, not just in one color, but in segments.
Sondern eben segmentiert anzusteuern.
The LED strip is also very easy to set up. The controller has a button that can be used to activate automatic length measurement and to pre-select the operating mode.
Kann, als auch schon die Betriebsart vorauswählen kann.